Hello, Ms. Turtle here. Welcome to another video. I am doing a Diamond Art Club unboxing today. I've not ordered from Diamond Art Club in several years, so these are my first purchases in 5 years, I want to say. And I'm very excited. One of them is a square and one is a round, and they both ended up being religious paintings. Not 100% sure why, but I liked these two, and I'm excited. I have already opened them up partially, mostly to steal the toolkits, um, because these have become my new favorite tools. I have like 3D printed trays and pens, like hand turned pens. I don't care about any of that anymore. These new kits that these Diamond Art Club kits come with are it for me. So let's go over that first. We'll just go through. Both of these came with the new kits. So let me put those away. We'll bring them out to look at the drills and such in a moment. But I'm going to show the toolkit. So it comes with the new Diamond Art Club pen, the new tray, a bunch of baggies. Oh, there's a placer in there. This looks like a 4-placer. Yep, it's a 4-placer. And the rest is in here. Oh, this must be okay, there's a 4-placer. This must be from the other kit. So it comes still with the red or pink heart wax, which is great. These are my favorite. It comes with the new Diamond Art Club putty. Comes with a 7-placer, it looks like, a 4-placer, and the what is this called? Twist and pick. And the new trays with the stopper and the lid. I don't really use the lid too much, at least so far I have not. I've got, like I said, I've got the 2 diamond paintings, so I've got 1 pen and 1 tray in use already. And let me show you, actually change the pen around a little bit. So one, I replaced the back. First thing I did is replace the back. This is a 6-placer with putty in it. I didn't use the Diamond Art Club putty yet. I haven't tried it because I have some Putty Crocker putty that I've been using. It's got a cinnamon vanilla scent. I forget the actual name of it. It's very nice scent. Oop. And I replaced this with the Twist and Pick metal pen, because what happened with the original one was it split the plastic. When I twist, oh, well, the cap just went flying. When I twisted it, and maybe this will happen on this one too, instead of the putty coming out from up here, it actually split along this side, one of the seams, and started coming out of there. So I put a little bit of washi tape around it to kind of contain that, and then the putty started coming out from up here. But I ended up having ordered one of these as well, just in case, and it was great. So I just replaced it with this. And when I did that, I also replaced this. Instead of the putty, this has the, oh, I won't be able to get on that side. This has the pink wax. I put some of the pink wax in there because that's my favorite. So I've got putty on this end, I've got the pink wax on this end. It's perfect. I like that it's a slightly thicker pen, but it's not as thick as my hand-turned pens. And it's the perfect pen. It's the perfect pen. I'm so mad about it because now all my other, and this tray is amazing. It's big enough. It's got the nice high walls, and it's got the stopper. I'm mad about it. I'm mad about it. So if anybody wants to buy some of my custom pens and 3D trays and stuff, let me know. Oh, I also have a diamond painting actually that I want to get rid of. Happy to send it to anyone who wants it for the cost of shipping. It's a glow in the dark. It has glow in the dark stuff, which I was excited about when I ordered it, but I'm less so excited about it now, 5 years later. It's the picture of the Buddha, and it has the glow in the dark. So if anybody wants it, let me know. But yeah, this pen, at least for rounds, this is my perfect pen because I've been working on Darth Vader uh, playing with his kids diamond painting, which is a rounds, and for the rounds, this is perfection. I don't know if I'm going to feel the same way when I work on one of the squares. It's been a long while since I've worked on a square. Um, so anyway, so let's get to these paintings. So let's start first with this one. It's called Jesus Blessing, and it's a Shutterstock licensed photograph, and this is a round. And let's have a look. The toolkit was sitting in here. It has this thing. I believe this has the stickers in it. Yep. It's got the image. And I think this is going to be a gift for someone. I don't know if it's going to be a gift for this Christmas. I should probably work on it, actually. This would be a good Christmas gift. And then here are the stickers. So there's that. Let's put you in here. Get you out of the way. Let's have a look at the... Let's get rid of that. Okay. Ooh. All right. Canvas quality has not changed. It's still the amazing canvas that they have. Oh my God. Oh, I want to give this for Christmas. I need to get started on this right away. This is a huge canvas. It is 83 by 55 centimeters or 32 by 21. 32.7 by 21.7. This is a huge canvas. Let me get the drills out of the way. We'll look at that in a little bit. All right. So here's Jesus. Oh, what is the plastic feel? Oh, this is the new thing they're doing with the cover. It's perforated. So I typically use parchment paper, and then I'll use release paper in the active area that I'm working in, but I'll cover the rest up with parchment paper. But this perforated, it's a nice thick plastic. This is definitely better quality than they used to have. The plastic, and it's perforated, so this might not need the parchment paper. Let's look at the rest of the canvas. It's sparkly. Ugh. There's his hand. Oh, I love it. Beautiful Diamond Art Club canvas as one would expect. Perfectly printed. Alright, let's look at the drills. I suppose I can leave that on there. And just move it a little bit so it's easy for me to sit with this. Okay. .310. Look at all that .310. I love .310. There's a lot of .310 going on in the background. Unless there's symbols changed. Nope, it still does black circle, or the white circle with the black around it. I don't know. I always love working on .310 in Diamond Art Club because I feel like it makes the painting go super fast. Like I'm working on Darth Daddy, as I said, and it's a silhouette, so it's a beautiful sunset background, and then the characters are in silhouette, and that's all .310. That section's going so fast. don't really want to take it out of this packet because I don't know if I'm going to be able to get everything back inside. Yeah, this entire thing is wrapped in 310 except that. That's a brown. That's a lot. Okay. All right. I'm going to take it out, but partially, so I can stuff it back inside. Yeah, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 310. Nope, 6. 7 bags of 310. There's a lot of. Oh, I really would love to give this to Meg for Christmas. Maybe I should work on this. Dang it! I was just saying in my previous video, the Diamond Artisan Club video, that I really wanted to get that up immediately, and now I want to get this up immediately and give this as a gift. I suppose the gift should have priority. Goodness. And then I'd have to get it framed too, which takes a few weeks. So, oh, and we usually do Christmas in November. Oh my goodness. Okay. So there's Jesus Blessing. And let me put this canvas away and then we'll look at the other one, the Mandi Manzano. Mandi Manzano is my favorite artist, by the way, at Diamond Art Club. And so here's the box, Psalm 91, which I believe is to take refuge in the Lord, or something along those lines. I might be paraphrasing. So like I said, I already opened these up partially to steal the toolkits out of here. Okay. Oh wow, that was a little more challenging than expected. There's the sticker and the canvas. Ooh, ooh. Oh, a trading card. That must be a new thing. I had not seen this before. Wow, that is quite shiny. Oh, and it has the dimensions on there. 36 by 20 inches or 91.9 centimeters by 50.8 centimeters. And then this is what the back looks like. What is that? Is that a scratch off thing? What is that? Diamond Art Club. Oh, yeah, scratch off below. Oh, okay. Interesting. We'll have to see what I get on my scratch off. Let's have a look at the sticker. It's such a beautiful image. I love Mandi Manzano. And this is a square. Here are the stickers. Fabulous. Perfect. Let's put this over here. Goodness, this is big. Here are the drums. I'll look at those in a moment. So there's the woman taking refuge. There's the world. So there's Earth. There's the moon. And there at the bottom is her gorgeous dress. cool. Such a beautiful, beautiful image. Let's get her face in frame. Yep, there we go. And this also has the perforated cover. And let's bring out the drills. And once again, a lot of 310. Although, looking at it, this actually looks like it has less 310, or at least fewer chunks of 310 than the previous painting. Here's the it is a larger painting. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hmm. 5, 6. Also 7 bags of 310. Look at some of these colors. I love the blues and greens. I'm not going to take it out because I'm not going to be able to get it back in here. This is going to be a next year project because between my current whip, my potentially gift for Meg with the previous canvas, and then wanting to do Bob the Cat from Animal Crossing. It's a lot of big paintings. So I think this is going to get put off till next year. But that's okay. I'm going to have something to look forward to for next year. So anyway, those are my 2 canvases from Diamond Art Club. I really hope these pens last forever because the only way you can get these pens is through a kit, and I don't want to do that. But yeah, this has been really nice for rounds. I'm be very curious to see how it works for squares. And yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.